I am delighted to have this opportunity to present to you a wonderful residential community in Silay City, Centerville 3 and 4. Centerville 3 and 4 offers a comfortable and convenient living experience for you and your family. The houses in this community have a lot area of 72 square meters and a floor area of 35 square meters. With 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath, these homes are perfect for small families or individuals looking for a cozy space to call their own. One of the standout features of Centerville 3 and 4 is the attention to detail in its design and finishes. The houses have tiled floors, painted walls, and ceilings, giving them a modern and stylish look. Additionally, there is extra space in the front and back of the house, providing you with the opportunity to create your own outdoor oasis or garden. Location is key, and Centerville 3 and 4 offers a prime location in Silay City. It is within walking distance to Magicland, the first theme park here in Negros Occidental. Imagine the joy and excitement of having a theme park just a stone's throw away from your home. Not only that, but Centerville 3 and 4 is also conveniently located near hospitals, Gaisano Mall, drugstores, supermarkets, schools, banks, and even the airport. Everything you need is within reach. If you're interested in learning more about Centerville 3 and 4, scheduling a site visit, or making a reservation, please feel free to message me. I am here to assist you every step of the way. Thank you once again for your time and attention. I hope you consider Centerville 3 and 4 as your future home. Have a great day.